Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up your light beam or a medium range link. So we've got a few different types of links in our system. So this is what we call a light beam. So we'll open it up and I'll unbox it for you. Alright, so this is our light beam all fully disassembled. So I'm going to run through now how to set this one up. It's very straightforward. You only need a Phillips screwdriver to actually put it together. So this is the center of the actual dish. Now we've got two ears that go on together. So if you can see here, this here's got a little slot there and there, and we've got little grooves here. So that goes onto there like that, and we slide it up and it clicks in. Okay. Then we've got our next one which goes on the other side. That also goes onto there and clicks in. Like that. Then we've got our mounting bracket which goes onto the back here. So this here only can go one way. We've got the groove down low. We line that up like so, and we've got here, there's a piece to go in the top there and also on the bottom here. So when we do that, it'll actually click in. We want to hear that click and we want it to be nice and stable. Flipping it over, this is where we actually put the brains, so everything's inside here. That just slides in, and once again we want to hear the click. Nice and tight in there. From here, we need to be able to mount it to the pole. So we have our 3-axis system. So this one here goes onto the back of this, and this one goes up there, and we can ratchet it around to where we need it to go. So I like to actually put this one together first. So our screws that come in the packets, I'll just empty these ones out. These two go together. So these two actually go through here to mount that onto there. And then these smaller ones, they go through this. So it'll go into there, and it's got a little square keyway there, so it can't go anywhere. And then we tighten that up there to where we need to go. Then this one here, you can see that it's rounded out here. That there slips over these little ears, and we want to make sure we hear the click. Nice strong click. From there, this long bolt will actually go through here, and this one will go on the other side, around here, onto there. And we want to do that up, and that's how you can lock it in and get your correct height. So we can get our up and down here. Once again, it's really crucial to get the level, absolutely level, and then we can adjust our up and down and our left and right. Then we actually use our hose clamp here. It goes through there, and we hose clamp that onto the pole. All that's left to do is inside this packet, there's a heap of little tiny screws, and that holds each of this dish together. We put them in each of these here. So there's actually 8 screws. And that's how you build our light beam.